How to use Hairshield Anti-Lice Cream Wash. The pack contains cream wash bottle, specialized lice removal comb, product information leaflet. Firstly, wash the hair with normal shampoo. After washing hair, dry the hair with towel. Now take Hairshield Anti-Lice on your palm and start applying it on hair and scalp. Apply full bottle in one go and cover hair and scalp completely. Let it stay in hair for 10 minutes for effective action. Hairshield Anti-Lice Cream Wash is powered with Guldaudi to clear lice and enriched with natural ingredients like Rita and Shikakai to condition and strengthen hair. HydroShell technology creates a protective layer around hair to prevent recurrence. After 10 minutes, wash the hair thoroughly with water. While hair is still wet, use Hairshield specialized lice removal comb to remove dead lice and nits. You are all set with healthy and lice-free hair. Hairshield Cream Wash is safe for all above 2 months of age. Kill lice, nits and eggs in one wash with Hairshield Anti-Lice Cream Wash.